Launching the boat into wind can prove problematic for our sailors and our boats because it can inflict damage onto them and endanger our users. I don't know.
Little black submarines, operator, please put me back on the line.
At the moment, we either have to launch them off the front of the trolley, which is dangerous for our boats as they can be damaged from the handles, or we have to pull the trolley forwards from underneath them, but that means we then get soaked. What you really want is a way of launching the boats over the front of the trolley without the risk of damaging the bottom of the boats and without getting soaked before we even start sailing.
Calling me, they get lost in out of time. I should have seen it glow, but everybody knows that
Yeah, I think that'd be a really good thing to look at.
is blind. That a broken heart is blind.
I'm gonna put some music on.